just taking a photo of us all. Okay. Thank you. Well, I'm going to show you. This is a pre-launching presentation. It's going to be ready very soon, but it is in reviewing the design and things like that, and finishing some very important features. But I think that we can start from the beginning, and then this is the page that we arrive when we log in, and this is a project page, so you can have your collections organized here, and you can find all the collections, you can find all the books that you are working with, and then you go to the next part. These are informations about the book, the status of the production, and you can filter, of course. You can see the people that is engaged in your book, doing the various parts of the production. This is mostly for very complex books, very complex textbooks that we work in Brazil in the National Program for Public Schools. So these are high school books. These are books of physics, mathematics, and things like that. So let's move ahead. Uh-oh. Then we open the book, and we can see the metadata of the book. We can edit the metadata. We can add some more information. And then we have also the status of all the actions that we are developing in the book. Here are the parts of the book we have the accessibility metadata also. And then we have the book divided into parts. We create sections to work, because these are very heavy books with thousands of formula, images, and videos, and things like that. And you can also have all the assets attached to your book in the same place. So when you're working with PDFs and documents and things like that, then you can have everything structured in the same place. Now we are seeing the edition part, the editor of the book. Here you see a book that was already included. This is an HTML version of the book. You have the logging of all versions, so you have access to all the work that you have been doing. Anything that goes wrong, you can switch back and forth. Now I'm going to show you, we create a new session for the book, and after that we have created this section, we can import the book. The most used format for import is the HTML from InDesign. We have we have a plugin for InDesign that will help you to make the structure to export the book in HTML. Then you can import the HTML. It will be cleaned. It will be, because HTML from InDesign is really a messy. So you can clean the HTML, and then you can use our editor to add styles. You can edit all the styles, and you have tools to. I'm sorry, I'm really running because there's so much thing that is to show that I have to go through. This is the structure of the book. You can navigate through the book using this. And you can find if you have something that was wrong in terms of the heading of the book. Let's say that this was an H6 heading, and it's a jump from an H4, so you can see that it points you the error. You can go to the error, and you can, of course, correct the error. Then after, we have also this tool that will identify the math formulas and will allow you to convert, we import the math formula as images from the PDF or from even from the InDesign. And then you can locate the math formulas, you can transform it into MathML with description. So this is what is being done here. And you can see you have the LaTeX, you have the alt text, and you have the MathML rendered. And you can apply it to the book. Once applied, you always have the access to get to the alt text and edit the alt text if needed. And you can also import an image to the book and make the same process. Okay. Now there's a simple tool to make something that sometimes you have to. That is, move the blocks from the book, so you find the right element you want to move, and you move it up and move it down. It's a very easy way of doing so. Here we're going to see moving a block, a box. So we find the box is on the wrong side and the wrong place. It is very common to import a book from InDesign and have the blocks out of the place. And then after, you have also a review feature where you can include your reviewing, your points, your slots to take notes of something you have to change. It will work. We will store this in a database so you can always get back to it. Okay, so now we have also style editing, classes, styles, elements created from scratch with new classes, so you have access to all the design of the book, all the layout of the HTML book. And it has also some tools like contrast checking the structure of the book. I'm going to show you also. Here is a very simple way of creating a new style for. And here you can apply, here you can see all the classes that are in the book, all the classes that you have in your CSS, and you can edit in real time and you can see it. A lot of things are being developed this next 2 or 3 months, so it's going to change and it's going to be production ready, I think, in October. You see you can get an image from a PDF. You have access to the PDFs that you have stored in the book. And then you can copy the image. You have some easy features here, like zoom in, zoom out, go to page, auto capture 1 page, capture 2 pages, and things like that. So you select the image. You copy it to the book. And then you can use the individual processing for MathML. So you have both batch MathML processing and individual. Okay, so let me go ahead. Well, here, we just passed it by. There is this CSS area also where you can include your fonts, you can include your image for CSS, you can see how the CSS is applied to book and edit there. And here we have the descriptor where you will have the image descriptions. It is made in parallel with other work, so you don't have to interrupt your work editing the book to make the descriptions. This was made for complex descriptions. The prompt engineering It has a lot of different prompts for you to use. Let me see. On the left part, you have the book, so it gives you the context of this image, the context of the image that you select. It brings you here. So you mount the part of the context for the processing of AI, and then you send it. We have to choose the prompt that I think. And then we have, usually we ask for two kinds of description, a long description and a short one. And this is, well, this is a very complex book, so it has different kinds of prompts to deal with chemistry, with math, with geometry, and things like that. And you can save it in various kinds of description also. And you can see the image, enlarge the image to understand what it is. Now we have the objects because also in this program in Brazil, it is required from us, people from the program is there also, it is required for us that we include videos, interactive objects, podcasts, and things like that in the video. There is a number of interactive objects that we have to include. So it deals also with these objects. This is a sample of a podcast. You have the transcription. The transcription can be made automatically also, and you can navigate through the podcast. Well, now I'm going to show you three validation tools. One is the W3C HTML validation, so you can be sure that your book is okay. Wow, this one was really a mess. So when you bring the errors, you can click on the error and it goes to the code and it marks the code, so you can review the code after and change what is needed to have a perfect book in terms of the code. Then after you have also the Lighthouse accessibility check to ease your contrast problems and things like that, and lack of alternate descriptions. But on the describer also you have the map for the description, so you're going to see always when you have something missing there. And at the end you have also the last validation that we have included. We are going to include also the book check. It's something that everybody uses. You can see here there is an error, and you can go straight to the error to correct it. Now I'm going to show you, this is an automation for converting a literature book into, from PDF into the text. That this is the easy part. So when you make the AutoCap, it all will include in the HTML, it will create the structure for you. And it's importing capture 20, capture 21, 22, 23. Okay, it's done. And you can see on the left side, you have all the pages in the PDF. Then you select a prompt and it will transform it to HTML with all the stuff that you need in it. Let me move ahead here. And here you see is a bit more complex, like the information, the credit pages and the catalog, library catalog page. So it's a different prompt that you use, and it will structure. You can view what is coming from, and then you can include it in the book. Okay? And now we're gonna see, this is a new video player we have developed for dealing with all the features that are required in the national program. So this video has sign language, synchronized. It has audio description, but the audio description is not mixed with the sound. It stops the video, presents the audio description, and then goes on the video. But this is very important so that these books are made for everybody, for 35 million students now, something like that. So we don't want to impose the audio description for all. We have them switching on and off what they want. You have the auto caption generation. You can generate the auto caption. You can work with Audiodesk there. And you also have chapters in the book. We are also creating a new special feature that will synchronize the page with the video.
Sitting on a low wall, a group of 6 people interact with each other. In the background, there's a beach landscape with a predominantly blue sky. The group is diverse, composed of people with blonde hair, curly, straight, red, kinky, and brown hair.
There's diversity in our race.
And now I have switched off the audio description.
It's what makes the world so interesting. Sadly, sometimes
I have switched off the transcription section,
discrimination happens
showing the sign video feature, switching off.
We're all the same size.
And you can capture the time code to edit the exact position for the audio description. And now we're going to see the end book. This is an HTML version of the book, an HTML prepared with the structure that the education books are made in Brazil. That's what we have to deliver now. It's almost a web publication. And this is an audiobook also. And this is my son playing the flute. And then here you can see it in ebook format also. Okay, so this was the basic presentation for that. We're gonna be ready to offer this as a production tool very soon. And if you want to get in contact, please, these are my contacts. And if you want to beta test it, we will be very ready to allow it. Thank you.